Y'all ever seen black grasshoppers? What the fuck? There, y'all. These things are big. Like big. These are giant. Yeah, look out. It's eating. That's one of those big ass grasshoppers. It's eating a leaf. Ooh, look cute. Where'd you go? Oh, I lost it. Do y'all see that shit? That's a spider. That's the tree. That's the spider. That's a big ass spider. I'm gonna zoom out. You can still see the spider. Can I not stomp and disturb it? No?
No.
You positive?
This is his house. He do not want to be disturbed.
Oh, I've never seen one up close though. I want to see it do something. Caesar, we walking the trail. We in nature. We in nature. Don't let me hit a spider. Y'all, these spiders have been huge out here. Like those. I can't even show y'all. Let me show y'all. This is so pretty. If a gator jumps up and bites me, y'all, just know I'm gonna fight the gator. Keep walking. You see him with the arm out and everything? Come on, Caesar, let's go. Come on.
Go away.
You're gonna keep going.
What?
We'll be back for you. I see you. You see me? That one's across the river from us. You see it? Holy fuck. Hello, beautiful. How you doing, Danger? Where you going? Hey. Are you our friend that was chilling over there? And this is the end of the trail. It's gorgeous.